Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal. So in this video we are going to make some basics logics in SCL language. So you will see how I create an language, how I create a program in SCL language. So you will see here is my simple logic, which is I will create it on SCL, and you will see here is my some tags: start, stop, and run. So first of all, I'm going to make a new block, and I'm going to name it on SCL, because showing of you programming on SCL. So you will see here is our SCL. So just going to show you our simple if if then condition. First of all, you will see I am going to declare a variable which is called start and stop, and the third one we are going to create on a run, which is our start, stop, and run. So how I'm going to create a programming, I'm just going if then else function, and I'm going to make hash start is equal to start is equal to make that start is equal to 1. So you will see that start is equal to 1. If our start is equal to 1, and or because this is OR gate, so or hash stop is equal to 0, then hash, and we are going to run, and double dot, which is our columns, and I'm going to 0 equal to 1. So you will see that our program is now created. I'm just going to compile that. You will see it will compile, and I'm just going to drag my SCL to there, and you will see that I'm just pasting start tag there, stop tag there, and the run there. You will see that. So I'm just compiling that and start a simulation. So it will start in. You will see that it will start. I am just going online. So you will see if I am going to change that, because this says we are going to set that to, you will see that to 0. You will see our, I am going to check that. You will see it will true, the result is true. If I am going to make that to true, so you will see how I am going to make that to true. I am just going to my main OB and going to change it to 1. You will see it will true, then it will false. We will say that true, and our run is false. You will see that it is false, and just again. So you will see that it will true, the result is false. It will show that it will false. I'm going to name again OB, and I'm just going to make that one to true. You will see that true, and that one is true. So you will see that these are going to true. So this is our just a basic SCL. So you will see understand how these logics, I am just make that logic there. So it will easy how you will create that logic. So I'm just going to delete that, and I try to define to make you some more logics. So I'm just going to change. I'm going to check that if start is equal to 1, start is equal to 1, start equal to 1, then start is equal to 1, then we are going to check that set is available or not, then set is not available, I think the set is not available. We are just going to directly move there. We don't use, I'm just going to delete that and make that to set. Set is not available in NC, so run. Simple is that. So and stop, just paste the reset there. So वो इसका then hash run is equal to 1. So I think this is our set and reset just, and I think there is no set and reset in our this SCL. So how we are going to use a greater than equal to? So I am just going to comparator. I am just going to use hash start greater than start greater than 0, then run. So we will check that it is working or not. I am just going to compile that. There is no message there. So I am just taking and drop that SCL to check. Start, store, and then compiling that, downloading to the PLC. I think there is a problem because start is not available on so I'm just try to change that, and I need to create some more. I'm going to add a insert arrow and make it I think going to name it a value, just a value, and I'm going to delete that stop. I'm going to select that value as an integer. Where is an integer? I'm going to change that to value. Value. greater than 0 or greater than 5. I think 5 is good. Now I'm trying to compile that. Our block is compiled, and just I'm going to update my block call. I'm going to use MW2 there. Check that. I'm just compiling that and downloading to my PLC. Going on now. So you will see our start stop with that function is, if I'm going to change that to modify 1 to 1, we will see that. So what value we need? We need greater than 5 value. Greater than 5 value. So I'm going to make that to 6. So you will see that it is going to true. So that's how SCL is going to work in TIE portal. So that's it. I am just making more videos on SCL to check how many functions SCL supports. So please subscribe my channel, like my video, click the bell icons, and comments if you don't understand anything. And in the description I give links of Windows Software SCADA Ignition, SCADA as well, Factory IO tutorials. So if you want to learn, watch my videos. So thank you very much again for watching my video.